Dear students, welcome in maths class. We were doing cubes and cube roots. We have already done finding cube root by prime factorization method. Today we will discuss or we will solve the questions of finding cube root with estimation method. So let's start. I have given an example. Find the cube root of 5832 by estimation method. First of all, write the given number. See, I have written this given number here. The first step, what you will do? You will divide this number in two parts. But remember one thing, that you will start making these parts, dividing into parts from 2, and you will move to left side. See here, and it should be of three numbers. It should be of it should be of three numbers. Last three digits, it should be the first part. The digits left after these three digits, it will be the second part. These digits can be 1, 2, 3 or more. Okay. Now step second. See the last digit of your first part. This first part. I have taken this first part. This number ends with the 2. Find the cube this number. Unit place number. I have found cube of 2. Multiply 2 3 times. We will get 8. 8 will go in unit place. Whatever will be the answer, the unit place number will be 8. This 8 will be here. Rest of the answer is left. We don't know till now what will come here. Now come to the second part. This 5. I have written 5 here. Now choose two cubes. Choose two numbers which are the cubes of the numbers. One is less than from 5, one is greater than from 5. Same as we did in square root. In square root, we found square here, and in cube root, we will find cube of that number. Now see here, 5 is greater than 1 but less than 8. And 1, it is the cube of 1. We can write it as 1 cube, less than 5. Then 8. It is the cube of 2. It is between 5 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. This is the smallest number. From these two numbers, which number is smallest? 1 is smallest number, and this one will be here. We can say that the cube root of 5832 by using estimation method is 18. Remember, this 8 comes from here, and this one we have chosen from these two numbers. One is smallest, so one is here. Next question. Find the cube root of 47,41,632 by estimation method. Same as the last question. Write this number here. Your first step is what? That you will divide this number into two groups. These last three digits will form group number 1. This is group number 1. And these 4 digits are left, and this is group number 2. Now, second step, take this number 632. In this question, this number also ends with 2. What we will do now? We will find cube of 2. See here, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, which is equal to 8. Now 8 will go in unit place number. Same here, whatever our answer will be, we will write 8 here at unit place. Now take second group. This number 4741. This number. Now again you have to choose the number. These are the cubes of some numbers. One is less than 4741 and one should be greater than this number. In 4096, it is the cube of 16, and 4913, it is the cube of 17. Which number is smallest from these two numbers? 16 is smallest. So you will write 16 here at this place. 16. So what will be your answer? See here. I have already 8 got from here and put 16. Our answer will be 168. It means the cube root of 47,41,632 is 168 by estimation method. This is your chapter number 2, worksheet number 2. Find cube root by prime factorization, and it is also find the cube root of integers. These are negative numbers. You will find the cube roots. These are the rest of the questions, and the questions with estimation method is this question number 7. Solve all these questions. Soon we will share solutions of these questions. Thank you so much. I hope you will like this video. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.